It's pretty hot. Let's drink beer. Dos cervezas. Big ones? Yes, 2 big ones.
They look like white elephants.
I've never seen one.
No, you wouldn't have.
I might have. Just because you say I haven't doesn't prove anything.
They've painted something on it. What does it say?
Anis del Toro. It's a drink.
Could we try it?
Listen. 2 glasses. We want 2 Anis del Toro.
With water?
Do you want it with water?
I don't know. Is it good with water?
It's alright.
You want them with water?
Yes, with water.
It tastes like licorice.
That's the way it is with everything.
Yes, everything tastes like licorice. Especially all the things you waited so long for, like absinthe.
Oh, cut it out.
You started it. I was being amused. I was having a fine time.
Well, then let's have a fine time.
Alright, I was trying. I said the mountains look like white elephants. Wasn't that bright?
That was bright.
I wanted to try a new drink. That's all we do, isn't it? Look at things and try new drinks.
I guess so.
They're lovely hills. They don't really look like white elephants. I just meant the coloring of their skin through the trees.
The beer's nice and cool.
It's lovely.
It's really an awfully simple operation, Jake. It's not really an operation at all. I know you wouldn't mind it, Jake. It's really not anything. It's just to let the air in. I'll go with you. And I'll stay with you all the time. They just let the air in. And after that, it's all perfectly natural.
Then what would we do afterwards?
We'll be fine afterwards. Just like we were before.
What makes you think so?
That was the only thing that bothers us. That's the only thing that made us unhappy.
And then you'll think we'll be alright? And happy?
I know we will. You don't have to be afraid. I've known lots of people that have done it.
So have I. And afterwards they were all so happy.
Well, if you don't want to, you don't have to. I wouldn't have you do it if I knew you didn't want to. It's just I know it's perfectly simple.
And you really want to?
I think it's the best thing to do. But I don't want you to do it if you don't really want to.
And if I do it, you'll be happy and things will be like they were? And you'll love me?
I love you now. You know that I love you.
I know, but if I do it, then it would be nice again if I say things are like white elephants. And you'll like it?
I love it. I love it now, but I just can't think about it. You know how I get when I worry.
If I do it, you won't ever worry?
I won't worry about that because it's perfectly simple.
Then I'll do it, 'cause I don't care about me.
I don't want you to do it if you feel that way.
And we could have all this, and we could have everything, and every day we make it more impossible.
What did you say?
I said we could have everything.
We can have everything.
No, we can't.
We can have the whole world.
No, we can't.
We can go anywhere.
No, we can't. It isn't ours anymore.
It's ours.
No, it isn't. And once they take it away, you never get it back.
But they haven't taken it away.
We'll wait and see.
You mustn't feel that way.
I don't feel any way. I just know things.
I don't want you to do anything you don't want to do.
Nor that isn't good for me. I know.
Alright, but you have to realize.
I realize.